Welcome to Super Smartens. In this video, you can know about present perfect tense. Let's see sentence structure of affirmative sentence of present perfect tense. Subject plus have or has plus past participle plus object. For example, Jwalant has played cricket. Here, Jwalant is subject, played is past participle, cricket is an object. Here the term past participle is a word which is partly a verb and partly an adjective. There are three types of participles. First, present participles. For example, a sentence, we saw girl drawing pictures. In this sentence, drawing is present participle. Second, past participle, which represents a completed action or state of the thing spoken of. Past participle usually ends in ed, d, t, en, or n. Besides these two, present and past, third one is a perfect participle that represents an action as completed at some past times. For example, having finished the work, I went to garden. In this sentence, having is perfect participle. I will make a separate video for detailed study of participles. Let's get more idea for past participle. Here, verb in present ask, in past asked, past participle asked. Likewise, beat, beat, beaten, begin, began, begun, come, came, come, drink, drank, drunk, fall, fell, fallen, get, got, got, hold, held, held, win, won, won, play, played, played, work, 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 write, wrought, written. Let's see now first person singular subject sentence. I have played cricket. First person singular plural, we have played cricket. Second person singular, you have played cricket. Second person plural, you have played cricket. Third person singular, he has played cricket. She has played cricket. It has played cricket. Third person plural, they have played cricket. Let's see negative sentence structure of present perfect tense. Subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, Jwalant has not played cricket. Interrogative sentence structure, have or has plus subject plus past participle plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, has Jwalant played cricket? Now let's see WH questions word questions. First, what? For example, what has hard work given us? Second, which? Which student has submitted the assignment? Third, when? For example, when have I ever lied to you? Fourth, whom? Who has broken this dish? Fifth, where? For example, where has he put my mobile? Sixth, why? For example, why have you brought only pen? 7. How? For example, how has she cooked pizza? 8. Whom? For example, whom have you learnt English from? 9. How many? For example, how many tests have you given this week? 10th. How much? For example, how much money have you spent today? 11th. How long? For example, how long has Mr. Jwalan taught biology? 12th. How often? For example, how often has he made goals? 13th. Whose? For example, whose mother has baked this cake? Uses of present perfect tense. First, the present perfect tense is used to express the action whose time is not given and not definite and just happened in recent past. For example, she has done the homework. Mr. Jwalant has been to South Africa. Second, the present perfect tense is used to express action which happened in the past. Further, the action could be repeated in present. For example, Rajiv has written a number of books. Jagruti teaches Gujarati, but she has taught English. I have seen shark in that ocean. Third, recently completed action with just. For example, I have just finished my work. The bus has just left. He has just finished the game. Fourth, the present perfect tense is also often used with since and for phrases. For example, I haven't seen Kalpesh since 2015. They have lived in Bombay for 5 years. She has known him for a long time. With phrases like never, ever in interrogative sentence only. Today, this week, this month, yet in interrogative and in negative sentence. Till now, so far, already, etc. can be used. But with adverb of past time, the present perfect is never used. For example, he has written a letter yesterday. Wrong. He wrote a letter yesterday. Right.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon for the notification of our next video of present perfect continuous tense.